This is the TailMate 2.0, designed specifically for 1x10 nominal lumber. That's the common size you'll find labeled as 1x10 at your local hardware store. In reality, 1x10 boards measure 3/4 of an inch thick and 9¼ inches wide, or 19 by 235 millimeters. TailMate 2.0 is engineered to fit those real-world dimensions exactly, giving you accurate, symmetrical dovetail joints straight out of the box. No adjustments, no guesswork. We begin with the pin board. Clamp the jig securely to your workpiece and use a 3/8-inch spiral upcut router bit, guided by a standard 1/2-inch bushing. Simply follow the profile. TailMate takes care of spacing and alignment automatically, so your cuts are precise and repeatable every time. Even with larger boards like 1x10-inch, the jig keeps everything stable and accurate. Next, we switch over to the dovetail board. Use the same guide bushing and router bit. No need to adjust your tool. Just follow the edges of the template to cut the dovetail sockets. For extra clean corners, plunge the bit slightly at each outer edge before routing the full profile. This helps prevent tear out and gives you a crisp, professional finish. Assembly is fast and simple. There's no need for CNC machines or complicated measurements, just tight interlocking dovetails made with only a router and this jig. With TailMate 2.0, you can create strong, elegant joinery in minutes, perfect for large drawers, boxes, or cabinetry. This is precision woodworking made accessible and repeatable.